If you're actually mad at me, tell me why you're mad at me. If I do something wrong to you, I need you to always tell me.
But you know that dancing with girls doesn't mean that you have anything to them. You don't need to find them attractive to dance with them, right? You know?
Me, it's not even that. I will stick to my own points. I wasn't attracted to anybody. I told you already. I was just anybody or...
You do know that that's why it's making me look bad. Because one party is busy twerking her ass on everybody's cock. The other party, even if he wants to dance with babes, he dances in front of them. Walks away and goes to dance with his guys.
You want me to be mad? Is that what you want?
Yes!
You want me to be mad? If I'm mad, I will not be speaking to you.
If you're mad, you will not be speaking to me.
I would not be speaking to you.
Why won't you speak to me if you're mad?
You already know, okay, shit. I shouldn't be doing this. This person likes me. And he's like, you clock instantly.
Okay, so I haven't clocked it.
You've not clocked though.
I haven't clocked it.
No, you've clocked. I mean, that's not even the situation here. It's a different situation. Don't be mad. I'll be mad at you. I'm mad. Cannot be mad. Young Barry. Mr. Barry. So he's feeding you. He was feeding you. What was he feeding you? What are you guys eating together on the plate?
What are you doing?
What am I doing?
Yes.
I'm telling you what I saw.
It's feeding you what?
I don't know what was feeding you.
He wasn't feeding me anything. He was eating chicken and I was hungry. And I went to ask him if I could take one.
Okay. Come on, stop. Can you stop? Come. Goddessa. Come. I'm playing with you. I can't be angry. This is childish to me. If I'm angry, that's me just being very childish. You know that. Okay, so let's say I'm angry. What would you have done? And what would you have said?
I don't need you to be angry. I never said I want you to be angry.
You just said that.
I didn't.
Yeah, what did you say?
I didn't say anything.
Take it the other way. Me dancing with all the girls and you're just vibing by yourself. And I'm dancing with all the girls. How would that look? I need to understand that it's me and you, it's not... I don't know, I just want to keep it to myself. Can I get a hug? Now stop running away from me. I see you. You just walk past. And it's weird. Sometimes, if it's a hello, or... I mean, you already do eye contact, yes, but like, sometimes you just walk past me. Or you do as if you did not see me. It's weird. It's really weird. I don't think I like that.